What's going on, guys? My name is Ben with High Strike Trading, and today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite trading platforms out there and which ones you should be using in your trading and which ones that I recommend you stay away from. So first of all, in my trading, I use TD Ameritrade. So I'm a United States resident. You can use TD Ameritrade whether you're in the United States or elsewhere in the country. You may just have to fill out a couple of forms confirming your identity and providing some information to TD Ameritrade. So that shouldn't be a problem. It takes probably 5 to 15 minutes for you to fill these out. Another popular platform is called Robinhood, and this platform is available in the United States. Now, Robinhood and TD Ameritrade are two of the biggest platforms that my members use, but a few other platforms, to mention a few, are Tastyworks, Weibo, and even TradingView. So let's get right down into what I like and dislike about each of these different trading platforms. So first of all, I think the most powerful platform out there is TD Ameritrade, because it gives you in-depth analysis tools that you can do technical analysis right on your screen. You don't have to rely on any other third-party platforms, and you can trade right on those in-depth technical charts. This is extremely useful for you if you're someone that likes to sit down at your computer and have everything in one spot when you trade. Other platforms like Robinhood, Weibo, Tastyworks don't have as in-depth analysis tools, and sometimes if you really want to get the most out of your trading, you'll have to flip-flop back and forth between a more powerful program and your program that you're using to actually make your trades. Second off, we have Robinhood, and Robinhood is one of the most popular trading apps in the United States, and the reason for this is because it's so easy to use. So you can see your exact daily profit and loss right on your home dashboard. You can create a watch list pretty easily, and you can go through stocks and sort them pretty easily, seeing your profit or loss on each stock very, very easily. The only bad thing about Robinhood is that they've had very many glitches in the last few weeks. So this is a problem if you're trading with any considerable amount of money, right? If Robinhood glitches out and you aren't able to sell out of your position, how do you know your funds are going to be safe and yet you're going to be able to close out of your position? You don't. So we like to stay with platforms that don't glitch and allow you to execute your trades at your need. Brings us to our next few platforms, which are Weibo, Tastyworks, and TradingView. So TradingView is almost as powerful as TD Ameritrade, with the exception of candlestick charts. So that's the one thing that they're lacking. There is a version of TradingView that you can upgrade to. You have to pay a little bit for, and that's really not ideal because all of these other platforms are free. In today's age, you shouldn't have to pay anything for a trading platform now that all these companies are, one, making their platforms free, and two, dropping all their commissions. So TradingView is another great option if you're someone that lives outside of the United States and you don't want to go through all that process of submitting documentation confirming your identity. TradingView is another great platform that you can use to do that analysis. And this brings us to Weibo, which is the next one. Weibo has pretty powerful technical analysis tools, but not as powerful or as versatile as TD Ameritrade. So if you're someone that is a beginner, Weibo is great because you can trade low cost options, you can trade equities at a very low cost, and you can do analysis very well on their platform. They also offer a very enticing rewards program where if you refer a friend, you'll get 2 stocks and they'll also get 2 stocks free. And then finally, we have Tastyworks, which does charge a little bit of a fee, and they have pretty comparable technical analysis tools to Weibo. There really aren't many differences between Weibo and Tastyworks in my opinion. So now that I've gone over these 5 platforms for trading that I see the most often, I want to go over which one is my favorite. And you can probably guess by the way I've talked about them throughout this video that TD Ameritrade is my platform of choice and is the platform that I recommend to all of my students. The reasons for this are that it's very easy to use, it's free, and you can do all of your analysis and execution in one space. You will, however, have to do this on desktop because their mobile app is not as powerful as Robinhood, and you will really want to use the desktop version to get all of the tools out of it that you can. So even if you're not in the United States, you can still open a TD Ameritrade account. You're just going to have to provide a little bit of extra information about yourself, confirming what brokers you've used in the past and your identity so that you can pay capital gains tax in your country. If you're someone that is on the go a lot, I'm going to recommend Robinhood as the platform that you use. One, because it's the most mobile platform. Robinhood is available to trade on your phone, and you can really do all of your analysis and execution on your phone on the go. If you're someone with a 9-to-5 job that doesn't have the ability to pull up TD Ameritrade on your work computer, Robinhood is going to be great for you. You just have to be cautious that there are often some glitches that may result in lost profits. So if you're someone that trades with any considerable amount of money, Robinhood probably isn't ideal for you. But if you're a beginner trading with about $100 to $200, then Robinhood will be a great option for you to start with. It's really a great learning platform, and everything is broken down for you in terms of market news, searching for stocks, and even seeing profit or loss on the day for stocks and your overall portfolio. So if you're someone that doesn't have the time or the resources to pull up TD Ameritrade on your screen, then I recommend Robinhood as a great second choice, especially if you're a beginner. If you're a beginner that's outside of the United States and you can't use Robinhood, then I'm going to recommend you use TradingView, because this is a very good platform that's internet based. So you can log into the internet and access this platform from anywhere in the world. TradingView, like I mentioned earlier, is a very comparable system to TD Ameritrade in that it gives you very powerful trading tools. There just are a couple extra commissions for TradingView, and it costs money to actually install. So if you want to get the exact breakdown on the commissions and what each platform costs and its exact features, I do outline this in the very first video on my free course, which is linked in the description below. So if you'd like to take a look at that, that would be awesome to learn some more information about all of the features of these programs. But these are the 5 most common platforms, both in the United States and outside of the United States, that at least I have been dealing with my members and with people approaching me with questions. I kid you guys not, I get asked this about 50 times per day. In fact, I even just got a couple of buzzes asking me what my favorite trading platform is. You can see here. So in the last 10 minutes, I've gotten 4 questions on that. So if you do have questions on this platform, you can feel free to send me a message or drop it in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you. And in the meantime, if you're looking for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and like the video if you got some value. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you in the next one.